The God must be crazy. I don't know if you're familiar with this movie in 1980s, I think 1981. The gods must be crazy. If I put you maybe at the time of the first human, fire may mean something different to you than fire today. Hi, my name is Ashil Kambat. I'm the co-founder of wEquipu, and this is an organization working with business owners in developing small, sustainable and scalable businesses through supporting them in their marketing strategies, offline as well as online. If you've been following us, thank you for sticking with us. Thank you for putting your comment. That helps us actually keep improving too. And if this is your first time, just remember to subscribe to the channel, and you'll be getting notification every time we put the video out. And if you like the video, just like. Those likes help us also see how well we're doing. And if you feel like it can help another person out there in your community, just share that with them. The God must be crazy. That's a movie, personally, that started making me think about innovation. Innovation is just a principle of life. Principle that we can use in our personal lives as well as our for-profit lives. So professionally or in our business. If you notice over years, if you look over years, thousands, millions of years, right? Even human beings have been going through evolution and changing. That's why I was giving the example of if I put the fire in front of the first human being, it will not mean the same thing like what fire means to us today. Or the thunder was actually believed by people millions of years ago as something spiritual. But today, we understand better and we know how the thunder is made. Through evolution comes innovation as well. Because the evolution puts you in the face of new challenges. Those challenges allow us as human beings to think and find a solution. And we define business just like that. If you had the chance to watch other videos, right? People have problems they don't want, and you bring in the solution through your products and services. And the more the evolution is going forward, the innovation needs to adapt as well. So, that's a principle in our lives already. So for your business survival, innovation needs to be a principle that you capitalize on. Innovation needs to be a principle that you use in your business. And you can only innovate when you understand the market you're serving. And for you to dominate your market, we have put out there a book that will help you in 5 steps to see how you can approach in studying and understanding your business. So in that book, the last step, the 5th step, is about innovation. And I know the team will be putting on the screen, or will put the link also in the description, of the 4-line innovation approach that we have with our client. We call it innovation matrix. And it's only the third line where you do the inventory of things that you could do for your target market. That you start putting all the ideas of innovation that you can bring to the marketplace. And if you want more information around that, make yourself a favor. Buy the book, because the book also is helping us bring more educational elements to the community. When I say the book, I was talking about the revenue coming from the book, sales. So innovation is something that you need to get familiar with, that you need to be looking into with your own team progressively while you're developing your business. And the third line, like I said, is the line where you start having ideas on innovation. There is no wrong or right answer. There is no stupid idea here. Because remember, it is by stupid idea that many inventors today were able to create things that we've been using. What could you do? Not what you're doing. Not what your target market wants. What could you do for your target market? At this point where you're having the information, or at any time that you start looking into innovation for your business. Innovation. And the matrix is very simple. Again, you'll see it come on the screen. Or if you want more information, just get the book. You have the page. You have the innovation as a step, as actually the last step, right? Because it's ongoing, no stop. Because you're dealing with human being changing. You're dealing with human being going through evolution. Innovation is a principle that you don't want to miss in your business. So, again, our approach goes toward helping you see principles that are already part of what our life is, and using that to be able to impact your business. And everything started from just one simple ancient say. When you don't know where you're going, look back or look from where you came from. You will get many insights in this physical body, in this universe that we are part from, to help you look into your business in a different way, to help you look into your business with insights that will allow you to run your business differently. So until next video, just remember, when you don't know where you're going, personally or as a business owner with your business, look back or look from where you came from. And innovation was the principle today. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being with us. I'll see you in the next video.